Have you ever received an Excel file but didn't have Microsoft Excel installed? Or maybe you wanted to edit it quickly online without downloading extra software. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit Excel files directly in Google Drive. Fast, easy, and completely free. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to open, edit, and save Excel files online in 2025 without losing formatting or data. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. If you don't have one, it's free and only takes a minute to create. Next, upload the Excel file you want to edit. To do this, click on the New button on the left side, then select File Upload. Choose your Excel file, and it will start uploading to your drive. Once it's uploaded, locate the file in your Google Drive. You'll notice it has the familiar .xlsx or .xls extension. Now, here's the magic step. Right-click on the file, go to Open With, and select Google Sheets. Google Sheets will open your Excel file and automatically convert it into an editable format. The great thing is that it preserves most of your formulas, formatting, and data, so you can start editing right away, just like you would in Excel. You can now make changes, add data, update formulas, format cells, or insert charts, all directly in Google Sheets. If you want to share your edited file, simply click the Share button in the top right corner, add the email addresses, and set their access level: viewer, commenter, or editor. Finally, when you're done, you can either keep it as a Google Sheet or download it back as an Excel file. To download, click on File, go to Download, and select Microsoft Excel.xlsx. This way, it's fully compatible with Excel again. And that's it. You've just learned how to edit Excel files in Google Drive in a simple, efficient way. This method works on any device, laptop, desktop, or even mobile, without needing Excel installed. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.